Pull up, pull up, pull up.
When Officer Johnson stopped at Starbucks, he didn't realize that his daily routine would turn into a nightmare when he spotted two suspects sleeping inside a stolen car. The driver, later identified as 27-year-old April Rains and 27-year-old Joshua Rosendahl, was about to experience the rudest awakening of her life. But when she opened her eyes and saw the police officer standing directly in front of her window, what happened next would leave you absolutely speechless.
Asleep. Get out the car. 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 Get out the car.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up.
Get out the car.
Come out right now. We're gonna pull you out. Get out of the car. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Come out. Come out right now. We're gonna pull you out. Get out of the car.
Yeah. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up.
Get.
Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up.
Whoa! Stop the car!
When the officers approached the window and attempted to speak with her, she began resisting. Not only that, but instead of cooperating, April immediately went into full resistance mode and turned the parking lot into a war zone just to escape the jail.
Get him! Get him!
Out of the way.
What? Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Hey, I didn't.
Get on the ground.
I didn't do anything! Ow! Sir, I didn't do anything. I didn't even fight with you. What am I getting in trouble for?
No, you can stand in a second.
Ow!
My man. Stop resisting. Hey, can I get one more over here?
Can you please just stop?
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm trying to just...
Put your hands behind your back. Kramer.
All right. Can you just let go for a second so I can...
Stand still, my man.
After arresting Joshua, now they have all their focus on stopping this dangerous woman, so they called for backup. But here's where this story gets even more shocking.
Get out the car, bro.
Kramer, keep your pedal on it.
Hey, put your gun away. Put your gun away. Do not shoot it.
Get out the fucking car, man!
Just let her go. We're not gonna fucking jump on it.
Break the window.
On the ground. Get on your face. You're under arrest. Do not move. Do you understand?
What does she have? Oh, nothing.
Two in custody.
Turn inside.
I can't see.
No, you're gonna wait.
You got ID on you? Yeah. Yeah, where is it?
Got it?
Joshua was charged with resisting an officer and criminal trespass to a vehicle and was released after being booked at the police station. April faced multiple charges: aggravated battery causing great bodily harm to a peace officer, aggravated battery of a peace officer with a deadly weapon, additional counts of aggravated battery causing great bodily harm, 3 counts of aggravated assault against a peace officer, criminal property damage, 2 counts of aggravated driving under the influence, improper use of registration or title, reckless driving, operating an uninsured motor vehicle, and driving without a license. In March of 2025, April was sentenced to 7 years in prison as a result of this case.